Welcome guys. Today in this video we are going to learn about how to make the recycler view click in a correct way. Previously, if you remember, in our previous video we have learned to make clicks in the recycler view items, but we have made clicks inside recycler view adapter only, but we have not taken it to the views. The important thing is that you need to take the click trigger into the view, or you can say fragment or activity of your app. So let's learn how to do it. For that you need to create a interface. Let's name it RecyclerView item click listener. And we will declare a method which will used for passing triggers on item click. You can also add your required parameters such as positions or data that you want to pass to activity on click. So as of now I will just pass position. This position is nothing but the item position, exactly where we are gonna make the click. As you remember that in our previous video we have created our click listener. Inside the same click listener we are just gonna make the click, that is first we need to get a click from the we need to get the context of the activity from our activity where we are handling everything. Let's name it listener. Okay, what it will do is, here we need to connect. We will extend our not extend, but we will implement our RecyclerView click listener interface here, and the method will be mentioned over here. Yeah, you can see that this is our method that we have created inside RecyclerView click listener interface. Okay, the same method is here as well. What it will do is, this method will receive the trigger, and here we have an error is because this adapter is demanding for us to pass the activity inside the adapter. Is because we have added the RecyclerView click listener argument inside the adapter arguments parameters. Okay, so here we need to mention that same thing. We can say mention it as this. We have error. Let's look at it, why we have an error. Oh, okay, we are actually inside this RecyclerView list block, and inside the block this means RecyclerView. As you can see, what we need to do is we need to mention that it's main activity. That's it. We are done with the main parts, and now what we will do is we will take this listener object and we will make here the click trigger to be passed to our activity. Okay, and we will put the position. That's all. And now what this will do is, it will take the trigger into the activity here whenever the click will happen. So just for reference, let's add a toast message just to check if the click is working or not. Okay, and let's add a toast message with the position that we are gonna click. Okay, let's say you have clicked on position I think that looks good just for testing purpose. Okay, so let's run our app and see what's the reaction of our app when we will be clicking on a particular item. So here we have our app, and you can see that we have list of the items that we have added previously. And suppose we are clicking on the fourth position, that is the number three of index. It should be showing number 3 position. Okay, so wherever you will be clicking, it's gonna give you the position number as per the index. As you know, the array starts from 0, so that's why if I click on the first position, it's gonna be 0 index. Okay, so yeah, I think that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. See you next time.